Welcome to KMAUTOS, where machines roar, style meets speed, and innovation drives passion. Here, we don't just showcase cars, we dive into the heart of them. Today, buckle up for the future of performance sedans, the revolutionary 2026 BMW M5. The M badge is more than a symbol. It's a legacy, a promise of performance, precision, and passion. And with the all-new 2026 M5, BMW is writing a bold new chapter in that legacy. This isn't just an upgrade. This is a transformation. At first glance, the 2026 M5 stuns with its bold, muscular presence. Every curve, every contour, is sculpted for aggression and elegance. The iconic kidney grills now sit wider and more assertive, integrated with air curtains that improve cooling and aerodynamics. Sleek laser headlights cut through the night like blades, while the long sculpted hood and sharp side lines whisper stories of speed and control. The rear design is pure adrenaline: quad exhausts, a carbon fiber diffuser, a subtle yet sporty lip spoiler, and slim OLED tail lamps that glow with character. Massive 21-inch forged wheels complete the look, wrapped in ultra-low profile performance rubber. It's not just a car. It's a warning to anything in its path. Now let's talk about what really matters: power. Underneath that sculpted hood lies BMW's first ever electrified M5 drivetrain. A 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with an electric motor. Combined, they produce a jaw-dropping 717 horsepower and over 1,000 Newton-meters of torque. 0 to 60, just 3.2 seconds. And that's not even the wildest part. The new M5 comes with plug-in hybrid capability, allowing up to 40 kilometers of pure electric driving. Silent, smooth, and clean, perfect for city cruising or stealthy morning starts. But once you push the throttle, the beast awakens, and every component works in harmony to unleash unfiltered performance. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system keeps all that power grounded, distributing torque intelligently between front and rear wheels. Launch control is standard. The adaptive M suspension actively reads the road, adjusting damping in milliseconds. Whether you're slicing through mountain curves or dominating the Autobahn, the M5 feels like an extension of your soul. Step inside, and the thrill continues. The interior is a sanctuary of luxury and technology. You're greeted by BMW's curved display, a massive digital instrument cluster paired with an ultra-wide infotainment touchscreen running iDrive 9. It's fast, fluid, and customizable to your every mood. The dashboard is lined with carbon fiber and Alcantara. The center console is reimagined with fewer buttons, replaced by gesture controls and voice-activated AI. The new M Sports seats hug you like a racing harness, offering heating, cooling, and massage functions. At night, ambient lighting flows like liquid across the cabin, responding to drive modes and even your pulse. Want more? The M5 offers a Harman Kardon or optional Bowers & Wilkins surround sound system, turning your cabin into a concert hall. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, over-the-air updates, and augmented reality navigation, everything is future-ready. Rear passengers are not forgotten. Heated and ventilated seats, independent climate zones, and additional touch displays offer luxury that rivals flagship sedans. Safety is next level too. The 2026 M5 is loaded with driver assistance features, adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot warning, 360-degree cameras, autonomous parking, and BMW's semi-autonomous highway assist. Whether you're driving or letting the car take over, it's peace of mind on every journey. And let's not forget customization. The new M5 comes in a range of colors, from stealth matte grays to fiery M reds and deep frozen blues. Choose between multiple trim finishes, wheel designs, brake caliper colors, and even a carbon ceramic brake package for serious track enthusiasts. Driving the M5 is not just about speed. It's about feel. Switch to comfort mode, and it becomes a luxury cruiser. Move to Sport Plus, and the steering tightens, suspension stiffens, and the exhaust growls like thunder. And with the M Hybrid button, you can toggle between electric, hybrid, or full power mode, depending on how wild you want your ride. So who is the 2026 BMW M5 really for? It's for the bold. For the dreamers who never compromise between family and fun. For the business leader who still has a racer's soul. For those who want comfort on Monday, power on Tuesday, and thrills every day after. This car is not just a symbol of status. It's a lifestyle statement. A bridge between the past, present, and future of driving. It blends efficiency with aggression, elegance with dominance, and luxury with rebellion. In a world shifting rapidly to electric and autonomous mobility, the M5 proves that passion still has a place. That driving is still an art. And that every twist of the steering wheel can still stir your soul. So, what do you think of this new electrified era of the M5? Is the hybrid future something you're ready to embrace? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with the latest from KMAUTOS. We're here to bring you the world's most exciting machines, raw, refined, and roaring. Until next time, keep the engine loud, the ride smooth, and your heart racing. This is KMAUTOS, where power meets passion.